This is going to be an unboxing of the camcorder. And what camcorder is this?
Well, we'll find out. I don't remember exactly.
But we'll unbox it.
This is Andrew's Christmas present from Andrew's brothers and sisters and Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah, and I'm going to try not to show the inside of the room that we're in.
Well, we want to concentrate on the box.
Of the shapes. So we're unboxing it. And the address has been taken off before we started, so that way we wouldn't show the address.
Yep.
So that's why I'm going to do unbox it. There we go.
I'm going to cut this. Because they seriously taped this.
Yeah.
More than one layer of tape. And this is a good batch of tape.
Wow. This is great packaging.
This is not something that is going to come open accidentally.
Yeah.
Okay, and now I will take the scissors and I will take the camera.
Make sure you be careful.
Uh-oh.
Okay, now we're good. Okay, this is the box, and it should have the name of the camera.
Well, let's see.
Turn it upside down a little bit.
It's the Vixia by Canon.
Now, I think Jacob might have this camera.
I do not know.
Because Jacob, the Elevator Channel, if you're watching this video, I don't know if you own this camera. I'm trying to unbox it.
Okay, carefully, don't rip the box. Do you need me to cut?
Oh,
there you go,
there.
it's the tab. Alright.
Try not to destroy the box.
Try not to destroy the box.
Okay.
That should come up. There you go.
I think Jacob might have a camera like
Now what do we have in here? We've
directions.
got a warranty card.
Like that's
and
good.
A direction book.
Warranty card, we might need that.
Comes up this way.
We're probably going to need that.
Yeah, right, probably.
And here out comes the camcorder and I think this is the battery.
That looks like a battery.
And this has been bubble wrapped, and here's my camcorder. We're going to go ahead and take a look. See, open the lens for shooting, and see what this is going to be closing the camcorder. Yeah, see it closes, and see this. I think this is the zoom lever.
Well, we'll have to look at the directions for that. Now we also have...
Yeah, don't I love closing the camcorder. I'm going to close it gently, though.
The USB port.
Oh, cool. It's got a strap so you don't drop it. Cool.
Yeah. And we've got...
Cool. It's got a
power unit with... That looks like a proprietary charger.
Proprietary charger. But I think this is the battery. So I'm going to have to look at the directions. And, yeah, this is the battery. It goes right on. We're going to unbox the battery.
Unbox the battery.
Oh, we're going to take the battery. See, I think this battery, this should be easy. You just stick it on like...
well, let me see. Look at the back. Okay, see how it's got those gold posts? Match them up.
Because I want to film this thing booting up.
Match the gold posts up. See? Right? See right there?
Yeah, we're going to have to...
Those will match to here.
A little bit of work with the battery, but... I think it's in, right? No? I got to match it up.
Is that the battery or is that a charger?
I don't know. I think this is the battery.
I think direction reading. There, it looks like it slides in that way somehow.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, now watch the thing. We're open the lens cap. I think it should boot up. Battery.
Does it have an on switch? There's something over here. What's that say?
On switch? Is this the on switch? No, that's USB cord. This should be a...
Let's see, on, off.
Hold it in. I think you may have to hold it. Or you just tap it. Is the battery dead?
It's entirely possible that the battery is dead.
We may have to come back later. Alright, well, I hate to say, we might have to, I don't know. I don't know if the battery's charged or not. It should come charged.
No, we'll have to check it out later.
Well, so, you know what that means. I think we might have to end it for now.
Okay.
So we'll go close the cam. That's it for now, and I'll come back when the battery's charged. Here's a view of the camcorder. There's a view of it. I think I might have to come back later, but there's the lens I'm going to have to open. Actually, we'll watch the lens open. If I can open it. And see, the lens is... Alright. So I'm going to go ahead and close it for now. Yeah, so see, I can hold it, try not to show anything. So yeah, I can aim the camcorder. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close the lens cap for now. Alright, that's it for now. And I'm trying not to show anything. Elevator at Canon Hospital parking garage, and this is the camcorder. We're going to transition, so let's see how far
this is a
see, I'm back.
First camera video.
And see, I'm back, and here's a view of the camera. And see, we're going to open it up, and it's going to see the light will come green. See, it's booting up, and see, now watch this. You got to open the lens, so watch this. We're gonna. There, the lens are on.
The lens cap.
And now
Push the record button.
Yeah, we'll press record. It's recording. So go ahead and now here.
And now, let me show you the top. Right here, that's the zoom button.
Yeah. So, that's it. We'll do the transition to the camcorder.
So now we're going to test the zoom by zooming into the water fountain. Wow, that takes it close.
Yes, I know. Now go ahead and zoom out.
See, I can see the sprinkler head.
Yeah. Alright.
It actually takes us too close.
Over here, now on the camcorder, after we did we already did our transition, so now we're on the camcorder.
Yeah.
So here are the elevators. We're going to take a ride. How stable is this going to be? I think it kind of needs a bit of a wide angle, doesn't it?
It's on.
Yeah.
We just have to wait for it.
It's forever.
And that went up. And which one do we have? We do have 12.
Wonderful. Still makes noise? Why is it making noise?
I don't know.
Wait till we go back
It
up.
could be the counterweight. Or it could just be gear.
Whoa. Didn't expect that.
And we've already hit 7.
Yeah, I'm trying to ride up.
Let's be quiet on the ride up and hear the motor. Hit the down button.
Override again?
No, we're going to go and call another elevator.
Okay.
Wait for that one to leave.
It felt leaving. I want to see
Door closed.
This is done in HD. I think it's really much for zoom.
We Did you zoom in? No.
No, it's not zoom.
No, it's not zoom.
I don't know why it's too close to stuff.
Okay, now push the button.
Wait for it to come on. There we go. That's fine.
Now this view screen shows you awfully dark in shadow when you cross in front of the glass. I'm going to see how that works.
Oh, also, I think I was a bit too close.
Yep. Let's see how that works on the other thing.
Yeah, the video.
Let's see if one of these comes first.
Yeah, get the chime. I used to do this kind of video.
If one of these does not come first, the one that was broken for a year. Elevator number 14.
I got 14. Yeah, this will just be a short video though. Because we gotta...
Odd noise.
Oh, cool! You can see through the door. You can see the shaft. You can see up the shaft.
Is it light enough to see up the shaft?
You didn't realize.
When the door opens, we'll see what we can see.
Don't
We didn't bring a flashlight, did we? Come on in.
Okay, I gotta get it off. Oh,
No, let the person drive ground floor. Yes. Whoa. Just making sure we know.
I don't know flashlight.
Okay. You took the flashlight out, so we don't have it. That's all right.
Shoot, it's if you have the shaft.
We'll see. That works better if we have a flashlight.
I don't like busy elevator ride. Now.
What? Are we riding this one again or not?
No.
Okay. Did you put it? Did you just send it down? Okay.
Do you want to go with the ramp?
Well, let's push it and see if we can get the other elevator.
I gotta make sure I don't get too much of myself in the shop here.
Okay, I'll watch this one, see if we get that.
Stay professional. I'm trying to get my head in the shop. What's going on there? We got the other car.
Okay. I'll bet that means that car 13 is not working.
Yes, just a boring little scratch on the garage.
Well, let's listen to this one go on the way down.
This is terrible.
Got a bit of a bounce there when it stops.
See what those are like, or two. 1 floor.
Yeah.
A little bit better when you just go one floor. See how it does going down, just one floor.
Okay.
That's it. That's it, goodbye. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button, and that's it, goodbye. Bye. Bye.